Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we have completed the unit number 9, okay? And today I'm going to start with the revision part. Now we are going to take some random topics from your GK book, okay? And then we will continue. This is how we are going to continue with our revision part of our GK. Okay, so today and the topic that I'm taking for the revision part is given at page number 10, that is Olympics, track and field. Okay, so all of you just open your books at page number 10, that is Olympics, track and field. So I'm just writing the topic on the board, that is Olympics, track and field, given at page number 10. Okay, and we are doing the revision. We are doing the revision part. Okay, so this is the topic Olympics and track field. So you all of you just open your books at the page number 10, that is Olympics, track and field. Okay, so as the name itself denies that in this topic we are going to discuss about the track and fields of the Olympics. Track and fields क्या होते थे Olympics में? All of you first think that Olympics. So Olympics is an event which is organized after every 4 years. Okay, हर साल में ये इवेंट होता है. Okay, and this there and in which the participants from more than, okay, not participant, the players from more than 200 countries, this participate in this Olympic event in the various number of sports. Okay, and there are different sports. Okay, and every sports have their some kind. Okay, so if we talk about the Olympics, these are also of two types. The first is the Summer Olympics and the second is the Winter Olympics. तो हम समर ओलंपिक्स और विंटर ओलंपिक्स की बात कर रहे हैं. दैट इज ऑल्टरनेटली अकर्स आफ्टर एवरी 2 years. ओके, सो ओलंपिक्स दिस इज an event that is being organized every year, in every 4 years. Okay, in which the participants, the players from more than 200 countries, they participate in the different sports events. Okay, so in this topic we are going to talk about the various sports and some of the famous sports personalities, those who have achieved some great, they have just achieved the greatness with their great work. Okay, so first is name the sports event shown in the following pictures. Use the words given in the help box. Okay, so here the pictures of various sports are given. Okay, and we are going to name these sports events कि कौन से ये sports events हैं by looking at their picture. So in the first picture, this is of relay race. Okay, the first picture is of relay race. Okay, so as you can see, the number of athletes, they are running on a track field. तो वही track field के ऊपर भाग रहे हैं. That is a relay race. So what is relay race? So in relay race, beta, the four players from a single team participate. एक टीम से from an individual team, the 4 players they participate. Okay, and in especially जो देखिए ओलंपिक्स में जो relay race होती है, that is 4 into 100 meter. That means 4 participants will run. So the 4 athletes of a team will run at 100 meter. ओके, तो हर 100 मीटर पे क्या होता है कि एक ही टीम के जो प्लेयर्स हैं वो मिलते हैं. जैसे कि सपोज जो ये रिले रेस स्टार्ट हुई थी, तो फर्स्ट प्लेयर है, ओके, ही विल रन, ओके, विद होल्डिंग सम ऑब्जेक्ट इन हिज हैंड. एक ऑब्जेक्ट हाथ में लेकर भागता है. एट 100 मीटर उसको अपनी ही टीम का दूसरे मेंबर मिलेगा जिसको कि वो ऑब्जेक्ट पास ऑन करता है, एंड दैट सेकंड प्लेयर ही विल स्टार्ट रनिंग सेम एज इट इज व्हेन ही विल रीच टू द थर्ड पार्टिसिपेंट he will give that an object to the third athlete of his team, and then he will start running, and at last final the fourth athlete he will also be standing at the 100 meters from third athlete. Okay, and the fourth participant, okay, the fourth athlete, not participant, the fourth athlete of which team, of any team, of which in the fourth athlete of a team who reaches to the finishing line at the first अटेम्प्ट ऑन द फर्स्ट, सबसे पहले जो इस फिनिशिंग लाइन पे पहुंचने वाला फोर्थ प्लेयर होता है किसी भी टीम का, ओके, दैट टीम इज कंसीडर्ड एज अ विनर. सो दिस इज अ रिले रेस इन विच द 4 members of an individual team they participate. The first picture is of a relay race, that is of relay race. The second picture is of an athlete. You can see a player. She is throwing some like जिसको हम बोलते हैं ना, she is having a what we call it, javelin in her hand. Javelin जिसको हम बोलते हैं भाला. Okay, so in normal language we call it bhala. So she is holding a javelin in her hand and she is just throwing it. Okay, so what is javelin? This is the game that is known as javelin throw. So in this, the player, he or she holds a javelin in her hand, and then she makes one step at the back, and then she takes a position and then throw the javelin. तो अपने हाथ में से एक javelin पकड़ते हैं ऐसे, and then they just throw it. और जिस अलग अलग टीम के जो प्लेयर्स आते हैं, they come one by one and then they throw their javelin. और जिस टीम के प्लेयर का javelin that is at the farthest distance, that team is the winner. Okay, तो अलग अलग टीम की जो प्लेयर्स हैं they come, okay, and they just throw the javelin. Okay, और जिस टीम के प्लेयर का जो javelin है सबसे दूर जाता है, okay, that team is considered as the winner of that javelin throw. So second picture is of for the game, that is javelin throw. That is javelin throw. JAVELIN, that is javelin throw. Third one. So third picture, you can see a person is hanging in the air. So which sport he is participating? He is participating in the long jump. Okay, the sports in which he is participating, that is long jump. Long jump means लंबी छलांग. Okay, so इसमें क्या होता है, जो प्लेयर है वो भागता हुआ एक तरफ से आता है and then he will make a jump. Okay, और जो सबसे जंप मार के जो सबसे दूर जाता है, okay, so that player is considered as the winner. उस प्लेयर को क्या बोला जाता है? He is considered as the winner. So this is the picture of sports, that is long jump. Okay, तो देखिए इसके लिए बहुत ही स्ट्रेंथ चाहिए होती है, एंड बॉडी कंट्रोल, बॉडी बैलेंस इज वेरी मच रिक्वायर्ड, बिकॉज इफ समवन वांट्स कि उसकी बॉडी उछल के कहीं दूर पे जाए तो उसके लिए अपनी बॉडी को बैलेंस बनाना इज वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. ओके, सो दिस नीड अ वेरी ग्रेट बैलेंस इफ यू वांट दैट योर बॉडी शुड जंप इन द एयर फॉर सम सेकेंड्स. कुछ माइनस सेकेंड, मिनी सेकेंड्स के लिए अगर आपकी बॉडी को आपको हवा में रखना है तो यू नीड टू बैलेंस योर बॉडी. Okay, so the third picture is of the sports, that is known as long jump. That is known as long jump. So third picture is of long jump. L-O-N-G, long jump. The fourth one. So the fourth picture. Okay, so in the fourth picture, a person is holding some a metal ball kind of thing. Okay, that's a ball, एक बॉल, छोटी सी बॉल उनके हाथ में उन्होंने पकड़ी है, and that is made of iron. So that is a shot put. Okay, तो इसको क्या बोलते हैं? शॉट पुट. वो एक लोहे की बॉल होती है, and that is very heavy. वो बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी होती है. So that person, this is the game, that is the picture whose picture is being shown here, that is shot put. जो game की, जिस game की picture जो आपको यहाँ दिख रही है, that is the name of the game is shot put. So now what is shot put? Shot put कौन सी game होती है बेटा? So in the shot put game, the player he holds that ball in his hand and then he takes the position and with his full strength he just throw that शॉर्ट पुट बॉल एंड जिसकी बॉल जस्ट लाइक जेवलिन एंड द लॉन्ग जंप, जिसकी सबसे दूर जाती है, जहाँ पे अगर सबसे पहला वो अपना कहते हैं ना टप्पा खा के जिसको, तो फर्स्ट जहाँ पे अगर वो पॉज लेती है, ओके, सो द वो पॉइंट उसका सब पॉइंट दैट इज द डेस्टिनेशन ऑफ दैट शॉर्ट पुट, ओके, और जिसका जो पॉज है जिसका सबसे दूर होता है, दैट दिस प्लेयर कीप शॉर्ट पुट का, दैट पर्सन इज कंसिडर एज अ विनर. ओके, सो देखिए जो शॉर्ट पुट है इज जस्ट लाइक अ जैवलिन. जैसे फॉर द जैवलिन दे विल थ्रो अ जैवलिन, भाला फेंकते हैं. सो इन शॉर्ट पुट दे जस्ट थ्रो दैट शॉर्ट पुट बॉल एंड जिसकी जो शॉर्ट पुट है सबसे दूर जाती है, दैट इज द ही इज कंसीडर्ड एज द विनर. So that is shot put. Okay. So this the fourth picture is of the game, that is a shot put. Fourth picture में किसका है? That is shot put. SHOT. That is shot put. Fifth one. In the fifth picture, you can see a person is holding a ball with the help of a chain. Okay, the chain उसके arm he is holding like this. Okay, and he is trying to move it with the help of a chain. So what is the name of this game? So the name of this game is hammer throw. So this game is hammer throw. So what is it given in the hammer throw? तो hammer throw में क्या होता है बेटा? Okay, so in this a heavy ball is attached to a chain. Okay, and the player he holds that chain and then he starts moving himself. वो गोल गोल घूमते हुए अपनी जो बॉल को घुमाते हुए, देखिए घुमाते हुए क्या करता है, जब उसकी बॉल स्पीड में घूमने लगती है then he just left वो जो चेन है वो छोड़ देती है, और जिसकी जो वो हैमर है जो सबसे दूर जाके गिरता है, that player is considered as the winner. Okay, so this is just like a very all this javelin, shot put, okay, and this hammer throw, all these games they need a great balance, great timing and the great energy for throwing these all the objects. देखिए because all the objects they are throwing they are very heavy, तो बहुत ही heavy होते हैं, तो उनको carry करना is very important and very difficult as well. Okay, so this is the fifth picture is of a hammer throw. The fifth is of hammer throw. That is hammer throw. HAMMER, hammer throw. That is hammer throw. Sixth one. Sixth is, you can see a player is running upon एक किसी लाइन पे वो जंप कर रहे हैं. सो दिस इज नोन एज द हर्डल रेस. इसको हर्डल्स, रेसिंग विथ सम हर्डल्स. हर्डल्स का मतलब क्या होता है? रुकावट. सो इन द हर्डल्स रेस देयर आर सर्टेन हर्डल्स दैट आर बीइंग केप्ट okay into the path of the track of their running. So the players who is participating in this hurdle race, he has to reach the final, or you can say the finishing point, while crossing those hurdles. Okay, तो एक hurdles बहुत jump की तरह नीचे से मतलब like zigzag. So there are different kinds of hurdles that are being kept in between of the racing tracks. Okay, and the player or the athlete who is participating in this hurdle race, he has to cross those hurdles for reaching the final finishing point. Okay, so the name of this game is hurdle race. So that is hurdles, you can say, or you can say it as a hurdle race. That is the last one. That is hurdle race. That is hurdle race. Okay. So these are the answers from the page number 10. The first is relay race, second is javelin throw, third long jump, fourth shot put, fifth hammer throw and the sixth is hurdle race. Clear? चलिए. So as you can see the tidbit is also given. So let's read the tidbit first. The first one is PT Usha was the first Indian women to reach the final of an Olympic athletics event at the 1984 Olympics game in Los Angeles, California. She was placed fourth in the 400-meter hurdles, missing out on a bronze by 1/100th of a second. She also represented India in the 1980 and 1988 Olympics. So now we are talking about one of the great women athlete of our country, that she is, her name is PT Usha. She is the first Indian women athlete to reach the final of the Olympic event. तो सबसे पहले भारतीय महिला एथलीट थी जो कि एक ओलंपिक्स में फाइनल इवेंट तक पहुंची थी. एट द 1984 ओलंपिक गेम्स इन लॉस एंजल्स कैलिफोर्निया शी वाज प्लेस फोर्थ इन द 400 मीटर हर्डल्स. तो देखिए जो 1984 में जो ओलंपिक्स की गेम्स हुई थी उसमें हर्डल रेस में शी वॉज प्लेस्ड फोर्थ. उनको जो फोर्थ प्लेस मिला था, उनको फोर्थ पोजीशन मिली थी इन द 2084 1984 नॉट 2084 इन द 1984 ओलंपिक्स गेम्स, जो कि कहाँ हुआ था, दैट वॉज हेल्ड इन लॉस एंजलिस कैलिफोर्निया. तो लॉस एंजलिस कैलिफोर्निया में जो 1984 में जो ओलंपिक्स इवेंट हुआ था उसमें शी हैज गॉट द फोर्थ प्लेस in the Olympic hurdle race. Next is she also represented India in the 1890 and 1988 Olympics. इसके अलावा उन्होंने इंडिया को 1980 और 1988 के ओलंपिक्स में भी रिप्रेजेंट किया था in the race, as an athlete. So she has also represented India in the Olympics of 1988 and the 1980, as an athlete. So she is the first woman, you can say she is the first woman, Indian woman to reach the finals of an Olympic event in athletics. Next is, the next tidbit is, that is very interesting, just listen to it. When the Ethiopian long distance runner Abiy Bikila arrived at the 1960 Olympic marathon, he was an inexperienced, having only 2 marathons before. तो इथोपिया के एक एथलीट थे. there is a name of so there was an athlete of Ethiopia whose name was Abiy Bikila. So Abiy Bikila is the name of an Ethiopian athlete, and who has participated in the 1960 Olympic event. तो 1960 में जो ओलंपिक इवेंट हुआ था, तो देयर वाज एन एथलीट फ्रॉम इथियोपिया कंट्री, दैट इज अबीबी, हुज नेम वाज अबीबी बिकिला, एंड ही हैड पार्टिसिपेटेड इन द मैराथन, और उन्होंने मैराथन में पार्टिसिपेट किया था, एंड ही वाज इनएक्सपीरियंस. सो इससे पहले उन्होंने कभी भी किसी मैराथन में, ही हैज नेवर पार्टिसिपेटेड इन एनी काइंड ऑफ, no, he was very less experienced actually. He has only participated in the 2. तो जब उन्होंने 1960 में जो ओलंपिक्स में मैराथन में पार्टिसिपेट किया, सो ही वॉज इनएक्सपीरियंस, क्योंकि उससे पहले उन्होंने सिर्फ मुश्किल से किन्हीं 2 नॉर्मल मैराथन में पार्टिसिपेट किया था. बट ही वेंट टू विन द गोल्ड मेडल, स्मैशिंग द वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड विद अ टाइम ऑफ 2 hours 15 minutes and 16.2 seconds. बट देखिए, दो ही वॉज एन इनएक्सपीरियंस्ड मैराथन runner, but still in the 1960 Olympics he has gained the gold medal. उनको सिर्फ he was very inexperienced in the marathon, but फिर भी उनको उस ओलंपिक में क्या मिला था, गोल्ड मेडल जीता था, क्योंकि उन्होंने ओलंपिक की जो मैराथन थी, he has completed that marathon in just 2 hours 15 minutes and 16.2 seconds. What is more impressive is that he achieved this by running barefoot. और सबसे अच्छी या कह लीजिए सबसे ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग बात क्या है कि उन्होंने ये जो मैराथन जीती थी, उसमें वो बिल्कुल नंगे पैर भागे थे. मतलब ही डिडंट वेयर एनी काइंड ऑफ शूज, एथलेटिक बूट्स, ही डिडंट वेयर दैट, ही जस्ट ran barefoot. Barefoot means नंगे पैर, without wearing any kind of shoes or slippers. 4 years later he won the marathon again, this time only 6 weeks after an appendix operation. तो उसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट ओलंपिक्स इन द ईयर 1964 में जो दोबारा से ओलंपिक्स हुए थे उसमें भी उन्होंने ही अगेन उन्होंने फिर से जो मैराथन थी जीत ली थी. सो आफ्टर द 1960 ही हैज वॉन द मैराथन फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, बट इन द ईयर नेक्स्ट Olympic event that was held in the year 1964, again he has won that marathon. Okay, and before winning this marathon or before participating in this marathon, he was operated. उनको ऑपरेशन हुआ था, अपेंडिक्स ऑपरेशन हुआ था, बट सिर्फ उसके 6 हफ्तों के बाद ही उन्होंने फिर भी ऑपरेशन के सिर्फ 6 वीक्स के बाद ही he has participated in the marathon and he even won that marathon. Okay, with this he became the first East African to win a medal at the Olympics. और जिसके साथ वो ईस्ट अफ्रीका के सबसे पहले मेडल जीतने वाले, एक ओलंपिक्स में मेडल जीतने वाले प्लेयर बन गए थे. So his story is little bit very impressive and motivating. Okay, and his name is Abibi Bikila and he belongs to Ethiopia. He was an athlete. Next is, okay, write the names of these famous Olympic athletes. So now in the page number 11, so there are some information about some clues about some of the great athletes of the world that is given. Okay, and we have to, while reading the clues, we have to name them, that who are they. तो हम उनके नेम पढ़ते हुए we have to mention that वो है कौन. Okay, चलिए. So next is page number 11. Now we have to name all these famous athletes. Name these famous Olympic athletes. Name these famous Olympic athletes given at page number 11. Name these famous Olympic athletes. Chaliye, now starting with the first one. Known as the Flying Sikh, he represented the India in the 1960 Olympics in the Rome and 1964 Olympics in the Tokyo. Okay, so the athlete. Now we are talking about the athletes of our country India. तो हम अपने ही कंट्री के एथलीट की बात करें हैं, and he is known as the Flying Sikh. उनको फ्लाइंग सिख कहा जाता है. ओके, एंड ही हैज़ रिप्रेजेंटेड इंडिया. इन्होंने इंडिया को 1960 के ओलंपिक्स दैट वाज हेल्ड इन रोम एंड 1964 ओलंपिक्स दैट वाज हेल्ड इन टोक्यो. सो ही हैज़ रिप्रेजेंटेड इंडिया इन द बोथ द ओलंपिक्स इवेंट. ओके, एंड ही इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द फ्लाइंग सिख. ओके, सो व्हाट इज हिज नेम? हिज नेम इज मिल्खा सिंह. हु इज ही? ही इज मिल्खा सिंह. ही इज नोन एज द Flying Sikh. So the first athlete of India was first that is from India, that is Milkha Singh. He is Milkha Singh. Okay. Second one, she was voted as the greatest female athlete of the 20th century by the Sports Illustrated for Women's magazine. Now we are talking about one of the greatest athlete. Okay, she is a great female athlete. Now we are talking about a female athlete. Okay, and she is being termed as the greatest female athlete of 20th century. Okay, अब हम एक ऐसे फीमेल एथलीट की बात कर रहे हैं जिनको कि 20वीं सदी की सबसे महान फीमेल एथलीट माना जाता है. Okay, and she is been voted for that. उसके लिए वो जो वोट किया गया था, एंड उस वोट के अकॉर्डिंग शी इज बीन वोटेड एज द ग्रेटेस्ट फीमेल एथलीट of the 20th century. So this was decided on the basis of votes. Okay, and this vote was done by a magazine whose name is Sports Illustrated for Women magazine. सो 20th सेंचुरी की ग्रेट एथलीट्स को जिनको खिताब दिया था, किसने दिया था? एक वोटिंग के जरिए ओके, बाय अ मैगजीन its name is Sports Illustrated Women magazine. Okay, so what is the name of this greatest athlete of 20th century? She is Jackie Joyner Kersee. She is Jackie Joyner. She is Jackie Joyner Kersee. Okay. Third one. He is the only runner to win the 5,000 meter, the 10,000 meter and the marathon as the same Olympic Games in the year 1952 in Helsinki. He had a distinctive running style. He would pant and wheeze and would look visibly shattered during a race. This led him to being nicknamed the Crunch Locomotive or the Bouncing Crunch. Okay, so the person that we are about, the greatest athlete जिनकी ही हम बात कर रहे हैं, his name is Emil Zatopek. He is Emil Zatopek. Now who is Emil Zatopek? So he belonged to the country whose name is Helsinki. So he has also participated in the Olympics event of 1960 and 1964, 1952 and 1952 में जो ओलंपिक गेम्स हुई थी उसमें इन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट किया था. ओके, जिन्होंने सो ही इज द ओनली, वो इकलौते ऐसे एथलीट थे जिन्होंने 1952 में जो ओलंपिक्स हुई थी उसमें ही हैज़ वॉन 5,000 मीटर्स, 10,000 मीटर्स की जो रेस थी उसमें उन्होंने जीता था. एंड इसके अलावा he has also won the marathon in the same Olympic event. So in that same Olympic event that was in the year 1952, he won the 5,000 meters, 10,000 meters and as well as the marathon. Okay, and for his distinctive, एक उनका जो भागने का तरीका था, एक अनोखा भागने तरीके की वजह से उनको दो nicknames were given, that is the Crunch Locomotive and the Bouncing Crunch. So these are the two nicknames that was being given to him by the people, the Crunch Locomotive and the Bouncing Crunch. His name is Emil Zatopek. He is Emil Zatopek. Fourth one, he is also one of the greatest swim athlete. This pole vaulter was repeatedly voted the world's best athlete. He won 6 consecutive IAAF, that is International Association of Athletics Federation, World Championship and Olympic gold and broke the world record 35 times. So now the athlete जिनकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, ओके, ये इनको लगातार 6 बार वर्ल्ड बेस्ट एथलीट का खिताब दिया है बाय द एथलेटिक फेडरेशन, जो कि सबसे बड़ी फेडरेशन है एथलीट्स की. ओके, दैट इज IAAF. उन्होंने इसको दुनिया का सबसे द बेस्ट वर्ल्ड एथलीट का खिताब दिया था फॉर द 6th टाइम कंटिन्यूसली. ओके, एंड ओके, इन्होंने इसके बाद वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप, जो IAAF वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप थी एथलीट की, दैट ही हैज़ ऑल्सो वॉन. Okay, and he has won the Olympic gold as well, and he has broken the records about 35 times. तो इन्होंने near about 35 records हैं जो तोड़े भी हैं. So what is his name? He is Sergey Bubka. He is none other than he is Sergey Bubka. SERGEY. He is Sergey Bubka. Last one. You can see his picture and you can name he is Usain Bolt. Okay, आज के टाइम पे सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट एथलीट में से गिने जाते हैं. He became the first man in the history to win and set the world record in the 100 meter, 200 meter and along with the teammates 4 and into 100 meter relay at a single Olympics in the Beijing 2008. He went on to the claim 3 goals in these events at the 2012 Olympics as well and at the 2016 Olympics Rio Games. तो देखिए जो उसेन बोल्ट हैं उन्होंने 100 मीटर, 200 मीटर और 4 into 100 मीटर जो रिले रेस है तीनों के तीनों में ही हैज़ वॉन द गोल्ड मेडल. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दैट नॉट ओनली, और ये जो तीनों गोल्ड मेडल हैं इनको 2008 ओलंपिक्स दैट वाज हेल्ड इन बीजिंग, 2012 ओलंपिक्स दैट वाज हेल्ड इन आई थिंक लंदन एंड 2016 ओलंपिक्स दैट वाज हेल्ड इन रियो डी जेनेरियो ब्राज़ील. तो तीनों लगातार तीनों जो ओलंपिक्स हुई थी 2008, 12 एंड 16 में, Okay, so he has won the gold medal in all the Olympics. Okay, in these three categories, in the 100 meter, 200 meters, and the 4 into 100 relay race as well. Okay, and who is he? He is Usain Bolt, the fastest man of the world. He is Usain Bolt. USAIN, Usain Bolt. So these are the name of the various greatest athletes all around the world. Okay. So this was of today's session class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody have a good day.